CBSE Mathematics Class 12th Exercise 1.4 Question number 8, 9 and 10. Question number 8 देखिए. Let star, that is binary operation, be a binary operation on n, means natural number defined by a binary b equal to HCF of a and b. Is binary operation commutative? Is binary operation is associative? Does there exist identity for this binary operation on n? HCF of a and b is equal to the HCF of b and a. No. Therefore, a binary b is equal to b binary a. Thus, the operation is commutative. For a, b, c belongs to natural number, we have a binary b, bracket close, binary c, means हम एसोसिएटिव लॉ के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं अब. HCF of a and b, binary c is equal to the HCF of A, B and C. Now, अभी देखिए ये ब्रैकेट पहले फर्स्ट टू को A एंड B को रखा था, अभी यहाँ पर ब्रैकेट B एंड C के लिए है. ग्रुपिंग होती है एसोसिएटिव में, एसोसिएट किया गया B और C को. सो A बाइनरी ब्रैकेट में B बाइनरी C विल बी इक्वल टू A बाइनरी ब्रैकेट में HCF ऑफ B एंड C. And overall the HCF of A, B and C. Therefore, from these two statements, A binary B bracket close binary C is equal to A binary in bracket B binary C. Thus the operation is associative, means binary operation is associative. Now an element E belongs to natural number will be the identity for the operation binary. If A binary E is equal to A, means the identity of A should not be changed. Only then it will be the identity. जो हमारे को रिजल्ट है वो वही मिलना चाहिए. E binary A, for all A belongs to natural number, but this operation is not true. For any A belongs to natural number, thus the operation binary does not have any identity in natural number. ऐसा कोई भी नेचुरल नंबर नहीं है जो कि A binary E will be equal to E binary A, and that will be equal to A. Now come to the question number 9. Let binary operation be the binary operation on the set Q. Q means rational number here, of rational number as follows. Find which of the binary operations are commutative and which are associative. अब देखिए A binary B दिया हुआ है, that is A minus B. Let A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2. The commutative law क्या कहता है? A binary B is equal to B binary A, means 1 minus 2 should be equal to 2 minus 1. सॉल्व किया हमने, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में -1 मिला, राइट हैंड साइड में 1, and -1 is not equal to 1. So it does not follow the commutative law. Now come to the for associative property. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2 and C is equal to 3. इन associative में क्या करते हैं? पहले 2 को ग्रुपिंग करते हैं और दूसरे साइड में लास्ट 2 को ग्रुपिंग करते हैं. देखिए A बाइनरी B ब्रैकेट में रखा, बाइनरी C that will be equal to A बाइनरी in bracket B बाइनरी C. अब देखिए इसके नीचे मैंने क्या कर दिया? A माइनस B बाइनरी C होना चाहिए. A minus B binary C will be equal to A binary in bracket B binary C, B minus C. That will be equal to A 1 minus 2 binary 3 will be equal to 1 binary 2 minus 3. अब देखिए इसको सॉल्व किया, 1 माइनस 2 दैट इज -1 और ये बाइनरी का भी ऑपरेशन कर दिया यहाँ पर, दैट इज -1 minus 3 equal to 1 minus -1 that will become plus. So -4 is equal to 2 हो रहा है, जो कि गलत है. -4 cannot be equal to 2. This implies that the binary operation is not associative. This will be the answer. Now come to the second part. A binary B is equal to A square plus B square. For commutative, A square plus B square is equal to B square plus A square. अब देखिए 1 plus 1 square plus 2 square, 2 square plus 1 square, that will be equal to, in both the cases it will be equal to 5. Hence, binary operation is commutative. For associative property, let A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2 and C is equal to 3. So A binary B input in the first bracket, binary C you will be equal to A binary in the bracket B binary C. So A की जगह पर मैंने 1 का स्क्वायर प्लस 2 का स्क्वायर, बाइनरी 3 should be equal to A binary in bracket 2 square plus 3 square. So further solve किया, 5 square plus 3 square should be equal to 1 square plus 13 square. Now यहाँ पर देखिए 25 plus 27 that will be, 9, 25 plus 9 that will be 34. Here on the right hand side it will be equal to 1 plus 169 that will be equal to 34 is not equal to 170. Hence the binary operation is not associative. This will be the answer. Now come to the third part. A binary B is equal to A plus AB. Let A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2. For commutative, A binary B is equal to A plus AB. इसने डिफाइन किया ना, हमने यहाँ पर लिख दिया A plus AB, and B binary A means B plus AB means पहला प्लस दोनों का प्रोडक्ट. अब इसको हम फर्दर सॉल्व करेंगे. 1 binary 2 that will be equal to 1 plus 1 into 2, and 2 binary 1 will be equal to 2 plus 2 plus into 1. So here you will get 3, here you will get 4, and this 3 and 4 cannot be equal. Hence the binary operation is not commutative. अगर ये 3 और 4 इक्वल होता है, ये लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड इक्वल होता, तब तो बाइनरी विल बी कम्यूटेटिव. बट इक्वल नहीं होने के कारण दिस बाइनरी ऑपरेशन इज नॉट कम्यूटेटिव. Now for associative, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2 and C is equal to 3. So A binary B, binary C should be equal to A binary 2, binary 3, that will be 1 plus 1 into 2, bracket close, binary C. अब देखिए 2 plus 1 that is 3, और इसका 3 into 3 करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि ये 3 है A पार्ट. So AB means product. So 3 plus 3 into 3 that will be equal to 12. This will be our first. Now the second part of it, now you see A binary in bracket B binary C, that will be 1 binary 2 binary 3, that will be equal to 1 binary in bracket 2 plus 2 into 3. So here you will get 1 plus 1 binary 8, that will be equal to 1 plus 1 into 8, that is 9. So from first it was 12 and second से हमें 9 मिला. From 1 and 2, 12 cannot be equal to 9. So the binary operation is not associative. This will be the answer. Now come to the fourth part. A binary B, that is equal to, as per the definition it is given already, that is A minus B ka whole square. Let A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2. So 1 binary 2, that will be equal to 1 minus 2 ka whole square, and it will be equal to 1. First हो गया. B binary A means B minus A ka whole square, that will be 2 binary 1, that will be equal to 2 minus 1 ka whole square, and again it will be equal to 1. That is second. So from first and second, the binary operation is commutative. This will be the required answer. Now for associative, let A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2 and C is equal to 3. So A binary B bracket में binary C, that will be equal to A binary in bracket B binary C. Associative के लिए होता है ना ग्रुपिंग. तो देखिए अब यहाँ पर A की जगह पर 1 रखा, B की जगह पर 2 रखा और C की जगह पर 3 रखा. अब A binary B का मतलब A 1 binary 2, that will be equal to 1 minus 2 का whole square. Binary 3, राइट हैंड साइड में देखिए 1 binary 2 binary 3, that will be equal to 1 binary 2 minus 3 का whole square. अब यहाँ पर देखिए -1 आएगा, -1 का स्क्वायर करोगे तो 1 हो जाएगा और ये 3 रहेगा. सो 1 minus 3 का होल स्क्वायर, अगेन इट विल बी इक्वल टू -2 एंड उसका स्क्वायर करेंगे तो हमें 4 मिलेगा. इधर देखिए 1 minus 1, 1 binary 1, that will be 1 minus 1, that will be equal to 0. 0 का स्क्वायर करेंगे 0 आएगा. सो 4 कैन नॉट बी इक्वल टू 0. Therefore, the binary operation is not associative. Now come to the fifth part. A binary B is equal to AB by 4. Let A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 2. अब हम सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं इस एग्जाम्पल को लेकर के. So A binary B, that will be equal to A 1 into 2, sorry 1 binary 2, and further it will be equal to 1 into 2 divided by 4. फर्दर सॉल्व किया 1 by 2, 1 हो गया. B binary A, that is 2 binary 1 होना चाहिए. Binary 1, that will be equal to 2 into 1 divided by 4. Again you will get 1 by 2. So from first and second, this implies that the binary operation is commutative, and this will be the required answer. Now for associative, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2 and C is equal to 3. We have just considered or taken an assumption. So A binary B bracket binary C, that will be equal to A binary in bracket B binary C. अब इसको हम इधर सॉल्व करते हैं. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में देखिए 1 binary 2 binary 3. Here 1 binary in bracket 2 binary 3. So here it will be equal to 1 into 2 divided by 4 binary 3. इसको सॉल्व किया 1 by 2 आ जाएगा. यह देखिए राइट हैंड साइड में 1 binary 2 into 3 by 4. अब तो 3 by 2 आ गया. So 1 by 2 into 3 by 4. Here it will be 1 into 3 by 2 divided by 4. So here you will solve it, you will get 3 by 8. on the right hand side also you will get 3 by 8. This implies that the binary operation is associative. Now the sixth part, that is A binary B, that is equal to AB square. AB square. For commutative, 1 binary 2, that will be equal to 1 into 2 square, that will be equal to 4. It will be our first equation. B binary A, that is equal to 2 binary 1, again 2 into 1 square, it will be equal to 2. So from first and second, 4 is not equal to 2. So the binary is not commutative. Now come to the for the associative property. Let A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2 and C is equal to 3. So A binary B bracket binary C, that will be equal to associative property के लिए A binary in bracket B binary C. So 1 binary 2, binary 3, here 1 binary in bracket 2 binary 3. अब इसको सॉल्व किया, 1 into 2 square, binary 3, further सॉल्व किया, 4 binary 3, that will be equal to 4 into 3 square, again 4 into 9, that will be equal to 36. Here you will get 1 binary 2 binary 3 square, 2 into 3 square. So further 1 binary 18, देखिए 3 3 जा 9, 9 2 जा 18. So अब देखिए 18 का स्क्वायर किया, 1 into 18 स्क्वायर, so 1 into 324, 324 cannot be equal to 36. Therefore, the binary operation is not associative. Now come to the question number 10. Find which of the operation given above has identity. Means question number 9 में हमें चेक करना है कि कौन सी आइडेंटिटी है. चलिए देखते हैं आइडेंटिटी फंक्शन के लिए. आइडेंटिटी फंक्शन को हम ई से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. सो ए बाइनरी ई शुड बी इक्वल टू ए. देखिए ई को मैंने लिखा है आइडेंटिटी, और ई इंटू ई बाइनरी ए दैट शुड बी इक्वल टू ए. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 का फर्स्ट पार्ट देखिए जरा. ए बाइनरी बी इज इक्वल टू ए माइनस बी. सो हियर ए बाइनरी ई, that is a minus e cannot be equal to a, not possible. अब देखिए अगर ए में से ई कुछ भी नंबर हो, नेचुरल नंबर है, तो उसको माइनस करेंगे तो हमारे को ए नहीं मिलेगा. और नेचुरल नंबर कहाँ से शुरू होता है? वो 1 से शुरू होता है. 2 binary 1, that will be equal to 2 minus 1. And it will be equal to 1, and 1 cannot be equal to 2. अब देखिए as per rule it should be 2 होना चाहिए. So 1 cannot be equal to 2. But similarly you can say the fifth part of the question number 9, that is a binary b, that will be equal to a into b by 4. So a into e, that should be equal to a. So here a into e divided by 4, देखिए a बाइनरी e है, यहाँ पर हमने लिख दिया a into e by 4 and it should be equal to 4. अब ये it should be equal to a. a कब होगा? जब e की वैल्यू 4 होगा. देखिए put e is equal to 4, then a binary 4, that will be equal to a into 4 divided by 4, that will give you 4. In this case the identity is 4 only. अगर हम 4 रखते हैं तो उसकी आइडेंटिटी रिटेन करेगा. अब देखिए सेकंड पार्ट में ए बाइनरी बी, दैट विल बी इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर. सो ए बाइनरी ई मीन्स आइडेंटिटी, ए स्क्वायर plus E square cannot be equal to A. Hence, no identity exists. Similarly, we can examine for the others also. हम ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 के हर एक पार्ट को लेकर के एग्जामिन कर सकते हैं. Let us take the sixth part, that is A binary B equal to A into B square. So here A binary E, that will be equal to A into E square, and it should be equal to 1. In this case the identity is 1. अगर 1 का रखा जाए यहाँ पर तो 1 का स्क्वायर करेंगे तो 1 आएगा. तो यहाँ पर A आ जाएगा, उसका रिजल्ट A आएगा हमारे को. देखिए A यहाँ पर अगर हम E की जगह पर 1 रखते हैं तो 1 का स्क्वायर करेंगे तो 1 मिलेगा. So 1, that is E is equal to 1. So 1 into A, that will give you A. Here 1 into A square, that will be equal to A square. So A square cannot be equal to A. देखिए दोनों में हमने रख करके देख लिया A और A square. तो A square cannot be equal to A. Hence no identity exists. That's all.